Every year, millions of animals from countless species embark on epic journeys, true miracles of nature. Migrations are like grand theatrical productions, a majestic display of strength, endurance, and adaptation. Animals seem guided by a divine force. Some species undertake incredible migrations. One bird holds the world championship title in migration, adding up all its lifetime journeys. It covers 2,400,000 kilometers, equivalent to 3 round trips to the moon, or 60 laps around the Earth. But why do animals undertake these vast voyages? How do they know which path to follow? Acrobatic whales and dolphins cross the seas. Birds and butterflies paint the skies with vibrant colors. On the plains, giant mammals like elephants, buffaloes, and wildebeest make the earth tremble in massive migrations. Moving in perfect sync, animals are led by ancient instincts, tracing paths that echo the wisdom of the planet's life cycle. Our planet teems with animal life in every corner, from the tiniest ants to the towering elephants. Where least expected, a creature fights to survive. Be it in scorching deserts or frozen oceans, life always finds a way to thrive. Most animals play a vital role in their ecosystems. Some birds act as pollinators, while apex predators, like lions and crocodiles, maintain balance among species populations. In nature, nothing happens by chance. Every great migration serves a grand purpose. The entire ecosystem benefits from animals' journeys. Scientists estimate over 10 million animal species exist, though only about 1.5 million have been classified and named blank, no change. To survive nature's harsh challenges, animals evolve remarkable adaptations, one of which stands out in scale. They've mastered long-distance travel, often spanning thousands of kilometers. Some birds fly non-stop for 10 days, covering over 50,000 kilometers. The world champions of migration are Arctic terns. These birds make round trips from pole to pole, covering astonishing distance. These birds are among today's stars of our adventure. Other animals like wildebeest and zebras gather in herds of nearly 2 million, heading for fresh pastures over some 3,000 kilometers. This is one of the planet's greatest wildlife spectacles. In sheer numbers, this migration is surpassed only by one in South Sudan, known as the Great Nile Migration, where roughly 6 million antelopes move through Boma and Badingilo National Parks. Blank, no change. Crossing from South Sudan into Ethiopia. This vast migration was discovered mid-year, and few images exist. In nature, some animals cross entire oceans. The most exuberant migrations belong to dolphins and whales. Along these epic routes, they perform breathtaking acrobatics. Of all whales, humpbacks are the most famous migrators. Each year, they average 25,000 kilometers. These cosmopolitan giants roam every ocean on Earth. Thousands of animals abandon their usual homes in search of new horizons, seeking abundant food, cooler waters, warmer climates, or safe breeding grounds. Yet there are rare reasons why animals migrate, such as habitat loss from deforestation or wildfires. Birds, mammals, insects, and fish move from place to place, seeking favorable breeding and environmental conditions. Animals use diverse means to migrate. Some drift across seas. Others prefer swimming. Some undertake long treks. Some animals prefer migrating by day and resting at night, while nocturnal species use darkness to shield from predators. Bats are nocturnal and renowned. Migrators, undertaking vast migrations. One species weighing under 30 gormons, the Nethusius pipistrelle, flies nearly 2,000 km from Russia to the French Alps in a single epic leg. Whether in tropical oceans, sun-scorched plains of Africa, or icy polar skies, the fight for survival is a daily ordeal for animals. These grand odysseys reveal the strength and resilience of wildlife, which always finds a way to endure and adapt to the harshest environments. Yet not all animals survive the rigors of long journeys. In the Serengeti's Great Migration, thousands of wildebeest and zebras perished, teaching us the priceless lesson that survival comes at a cost. Among nature's grand events, one captivates with its dazzling spectacle and test of endurance. Bird migration showcase the animal kingdom's immense power, covering incredible distances in their annual migratory cycle. Birds' extraordinary voyages are a stunning display of endurance and adaptability. In these remarkable creatures, facing extreme weather and geography across the globe, but of all migrations, the most magical is the Great Wildebeest Migration. Among the planet's largest, this is one of nature's most ancient pilgrimages, unfolding across Africa's vast plains. thousands of wildebeest, joined by zebras and gazelles, traverse Tanzania's Serengeti, heading for Kenya's famed Masai Mara Reserve. Their movement shakes the ground, and the challenges facing millions are countless. In this natural epic, animals follow a straight line without distraction. For these treks, they need vast energy reserves, as the journey is long and perilous. But at the end awaits a reward, perhaps an oasis in the desert. As seen in the Great Migrations to the Okavango Delta, where elephants travel thousands of kilometers for water. One of the world's most diverse and wildlife-rich ecosystems hosts creatures of every size and shape. The oceans. In this realm, giant and tiny beings coexist in delicate balance. The planet's largest animals, majestic whales and minuscule krill, drift with currents. Every marine creature glides through waters with its own grace and purpose. In this aquatic paradise, acrobatic dolphins leap with elegance in an unrivaled natural spectacle. Blending power, agility, and grace, these marine animals perform a stunning array of aerial maneuvers that astonish onlookers. Dolphins are highly social, living in large groups called pods. Within these pods, dolphins forge strong social bonds, cooperating in hunting and mutual protection. These animals often migrate in vast groups to feed. Some species consume up to 6 calories of food daily. Other fantastic ocean dwellers also migrate. Humpback whale journeys are legendary. Humpback groups begin migrating in May, swimming about 4,000 kilometers along established routes. In the South Atlantic, toward Brazil's Abrolhos Bank, blank, no change. But not only giants migrate, tiny creatures like butterflies and locusts also cover immense distances. one of the world's great tropical rainforests, the Amazon, hosts massive migratory movements. Here, often called the lungs of the world, a 9-month rainy season reigns. From August to October, a drier climate prevails. Each year, minuscule creatures undertake migratory treks. Amazonian butterflies embark on vast migrations, crossing cities and even countries to mate. Their final destination lies in southern states, though they also traverse Mato Grosso, always following the same path, guided by genetic memory. Beyond butterflies, many birds make epic migrations. The Amazon teems with migratory bird species. Here we find some of the most common and abundant, like macaws and ducks, but also more exotic birds, considered by some the world's most beautiful. Among the myriad species, we encounter the yellow warbler and the scarlet tanager, known in the U.S. as the scarlet tanager. The scarlet tanager is a migratory bird native to North America, Central America, and Northwest South America. In Brazil, it inhabits only the Northwest Amazon and can be spotted in Amazonas, Rondônia, Acre, and Pará near Marajó Island. With vibrant colors and exuberant flight, birds beautify Amazonian skies. And from time to time, undertake grand migrations. But in the Amazon, birds aren't alone. Dolphins, turtles, fish, and many mammals also make long journeys. Without doubt, Africa hosts the most famous migration stages, marked by a variable climate, with regions enduring long droughts, and others bursting with food and water, prompting magnificent creatures to undertake vast migrations. The Kalahari is Earth's largest sand expanse, and in this paradise, a natural miracle unfolds. The flooding of the world's largest delta, the Okavango Delta. Each year, a rare global phenomenon occurs, a massive flood. When the land is parched, rain arrives, filling it with water, hope, and teeming wildlife. The desert brims with water and hope. Thousands of thirsty elephants roam the plains. Having survived the drought, animals finally find abundant water and food. Thousands of elephants reach Okavango, magnificent creatures. Not only the largest land animals, able to weigh 6 tons and stand 4 meters tall, but also remarkably intelligent. Experts at locating water. Their memory allows these giants to find sources, even decades later. Elephants are led by matriarchs who teach their young how to find water. From March to May, these giants move seeking food sources. For generations, mother elephants lead herds to the Okavango River. An adult elephant likely completes over 50 such trips, living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Not only elephants pass through, but thousands of wildebeest and buffaloes. Water draws huge herds to the grasslands. Where desert once lay, now brims with life. Thousands of buffaloes claim this space-seeking green vegetation, having walked countless kilometers. This place is a feast for all. Lions with lionesses and cubs seek a quiet spot to rest. For now, buffaloes can relax, as lions, exhausted from the trek, are too tired to hunt. When the Okavango River floods, it lures diverse animals to this land during the long, dry winter. Large mammals like elephants, hippopotamuses, giraffes, buffaloes, zebras, and various antelopes move here, but this abundance is fleeting. Animals must seize this bounty of water and food, for the channels will dry again and water levels drop. When that happens, elephants, birds, and all creatures of this sanctuary must migrate elsewhere for a new home. Where vast rivers once flowed, the land turns muddy and partly arid again. The cycle of wet and dry seasons makes this region uniquely vibrant. Other species migrate here during the dry season until rains return and flood the desert once more. For now, only summer rains fall here. The Okavango will stay dry a few more months until the cycle restarts, with the great floods return. Drought forces massive herds to seek water. But not all survive the journey. The desert is unforgiving. Only the strong endure. The little water left isn't enough for all. It's time to move on. But to where? Only fate will tell. Another African hotspot hosts epic migrations. Kenya boasts cinematic landscapes. In East Africa, here lies the Masai Mara Savannah, one of Africa's most iconic parks, spanning 500 kilometers. Every July, millions of wildebeest cross the Masai and Mara plains with zebras and gazelles, migrating to the Serengeti for fresh grazing, returning in October. The Great Migration is one of the most famous and awe-inspiring animal events, with millions of herbivores. This natural wonder involves 1.3 million wildebeest, 500,000 Thompson's gazelles, and 200,000 zebras. Migrations feed lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and crocodiles. During great migrations, animals face countless perils. Surviving predator attacks is just one. They also battle river currents and exhaustion. These migratory cycles play a crucial role in the ecosystem, regenerating grasslands. In this spectacle, not only animals benefit, but plants and the planet itself. Through this region, another animal also habitually migrates for better habitats. The Masai Mara is a paradise for bird lovers, boasting an incredible variety of these splendid creatures. North of Masai Mara, a magical scene unfolds. On the shores of Lake Nakuru, home to thousands of flamingos. In these shallow waters, abundant algae and crustaceans become a rich feast for these elegant birds. Flamingos are nomadic, traveling in vast migrations for food and suitable breeding sites. Highly social, they live in massive colonies. Kenya borders the Indian Ocean, where a magnificent creature performs great migrations. Sea turtles are solitary, spending most of their lives at sea, except adult females, who return to beaches to lay eggs. Turtles travel vast distances, battling strong currents. Thanks to sophisticated navigation and orientation systems, they detect Earth's magnetic field intensity. Their brains contain magnetite, a mineral highly sensitive to magnetic direction, used in compass needles. On their ocean odyssey, these splendid animals cross international borders, navigating nearly every ocean. A curious fact about sea turtles is their ability to return precisely to their birth beaches, even after decades, in distant marine waters far from home. Yet among all fantastic animals on our wondrous planet, none rival birds for migration fame. They're not only the most renowned, but the most resilient and adapted for epic journeys. Their bodies, built for gliding, conserve energy in flight. In spring and autumn, skies worldwide host a breathtaking spectacle as millions of birds embark on longing, perilous journeys between breeding grounds. Most birds prefer night travel when winds are gentler Nocturnal flights offer another edge, guided by moon and stars. Birds usually follow preset north-south routes, blank, no change, allowing better rest and refueling on long voyages. Yet, these migrations are fraught with danger, even with planning. Birds face harsh weather, dehydration, hunger, and predators. Among bird migrations, one stands out for distance. Arctic terns make pole-to-pole round trips. One monitored a journey logged over 96,000 kilometers, blank, no change. Experts crowned this the longest migration of any animal. On average, each bird flies 70,000 kilometers yearly, living about 34 years over a lifetime. Their migrations total 2,400 kilometers per individual, equivalent to 3 round trips to the moon or 60 Earth circumnavigations. Migrations are essential to birds' life cycles, repeating throughout their existence, passing knowledge generation to generation. Half of the world's 10,000 known bird species migrate. Migrations span songbirds, seabirds, waterfowl, waders, and even raptors. While Arctic terns hold the longest recorded migration, another bird excels in endurance. Bar-tailed godwits breeding in the Arctic are endurance champions, flying over 12,000 kilometers nonstop. From the Arctic to New Zealand, across the Pacific, for 11 straight days. Birds are migration masters, not just for distance, but for blazing speed. The great snipe covers 6,000 kilometers at 96 kilometers, non-stop between Europe and sub-Saharan Africa, the speed flight champion. Small birds, like hummingbirds, also tackle colossal journeys. Hummingbirds, among North America's tiniest birds, fly over 9,000 kilometers round trip between the Rockies and Mexico's forests. On these incredible voyages, birds sense direction via nature's cues. Sun position, stars, and moon. They carry internal magnetic compasses, guiding their path, as if equipped with GPS to never lose their way. These adaptations, forged over millions of years, let them navigate unknown lands. Blank, no change. Whether by genetic inheritance or learning, birds always return home. Despite every obstacle, predators, and hostile weather, shifts in environment signal that it's time to fly and seek new habitats. Internal biological clocks detect the perfect moment to depart and return. These astonishing adaptations teach us nature always finds ways for animals to thrive against immense odds. Yet not all birds adapt to change. Part of nature's cycle, bird life, like all animal life, is full of uncertainty. What is certain is that every year, millions of birds, aquatic animals, terrestrial mammals, and insects repeat the eternal migration cycle, ever seeking better conditions. Migrations are more than nature's spectacle. They're how animals fight for their very lives.